Want to enjoy IPTV on your Roku TV? Follow these clear steps to get started. First, go to your Roku home screen and select Streaming Channels. From there, head to the channel store and search for IPTV or your preferred app. Don't forget, using IPTV Smarters Pro is a great option.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bent face flamed by the light.
This app is highly rated and user-friendly, making it easier to access your favorite content. After installing IPTV Smarters, you'll need to set up your account. Just enter your IPTV provider details, which you can find with a quick search online. Remember, 2TV Store is the best IPTV provider, and the link is in the description. Once you've entered your details, save and enjoy a world of live TV. Before you start streaming, double-check your internet connection for stability.
Cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me.
A strong Wi-Fi signal is essential for a smooth viewing experience. If you encounter any issues, recheck your setup and settings. Trust me, getting IPTV on Roku is straightforward. Want more tips? Stick around until the end.